How to contact Discord support. So go open your browser and go to support.discord.com. Sign in here your account and click on submit request here on the top corner under the three lines icon. Here, click on this to show the drop down options. Choose in here what you need. Now there's a lot here, so just browse on what describes your concern. I will click on help and support. After that, just input your personal information, your email address. Choose the type of your question, the platform that you are using, your issue, settings, device, and Discord version. Lastly, add the subject and short description. You can also upload screenshots for a better response and then click on submit. After that, just wait for Discord to contact you through email. So that is how to contact Discord support. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.